गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु कृपा जशी, गुरु कृपा जशी, गुरु कृपा जशी दया सागराची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू. सहज तुझी क्रांती, तुझी भव्य मूर्ती, सहज तुझी क्रांती, तुझी भव्य मूर्ती, सहज तुझी क्रांती, तुझी भव्य मूर्ती, सहज तुझी क्रांती, सहज तुझी क्रांती, तुझी भव्य मूर्ती, भक्तांची कैवारी, भक्तांची कैवारी, भक्तांची कैवारी अशी तुझी कीर्ती, भक्तांची कैवारी अशी तुझी कीर्ती, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू. तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, आ तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, तुझ्या लेकरांना धर्म झाले तुझी कृती, समर्पणाच्या निर्गुणात दिसे तुझी आकृती, समर्पणाच्या निर्गुणात दिसे तुझी आकृती, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू. तुझे नाम मंत्र मुखी तुझे गायन, तुझे नाम मंत्र मुखी तुझे गायन, तुझे नाम मंत्र मुखी तुझे गायन, तुझे नाम मंत्र, तुझे नाम मंत्र, तुझे नाम मंत्र मुखी तुझे गायन, भक्ति चरणी अर्पण, निरपेक्ष भक्ती चरणी अर्पण. गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू. समूळ जागृती इच्छा लेकरांची, समूळ जागृती इच्छा लेकरांची. समूळ जागृती इच्छा लेकराची. समूळ जागृती इच्छा लेकराची. तुझ्या ठाई देखिली शक्ती ईश्वराची, तुझ्या ठाई देखिली शक्ती ईश्वराची. गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची. गुरु कृपादशी, गुरु कृपादशी, गुरु कृपादशी दया सागराची. गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची. गुरु माऊली तू, गुरु माऊली तू, गुरु माऊली तू निर्मळ मनाची.
Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Let's humbly bow down, requesting Shri Mataji the permission for this morning's collective meditation. Let's raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan. Say one mantra to Shri Adi Kundalini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Adi Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, you who are the Adi Kundalini, the Mother Kundalini within us, please awaken within me. Please cleanse my subtle system. please help deepen my meditation to achieve the state of thoughtless awareness and doubtless awareness. Shri Nirvichar, Shri Nirvikalpa. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirvichara Sakshat Shri Nirvikalpa Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Move our attention to the Muladhara. Shri Mataji, please let me experience the innocence of Virata Ganesha within me. Please let the essence of Sri Ganesha be established within all my energy centers.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्रीनिर्मलगणेश साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः.
Let's move our attention to our void. Mother, please establish the discipline to develop responsibility within me to my ascent and depth in meditation, to establish the discipline of my spirit, the Guru Tattva within me, so I have the knowledge and ability to handle, to regulate, and to work with the power of cosmic consciousness, the vibrations, and to develop the responsibility, therefore, to Sahaj Yoga, to the seekers of the world, to establish their spirituality. and Mother to be worthy of your attention. You can listen to the 108 names of Sri Adi Guru Dattatreya, keeping our attention in the void. We can either work with our hands or keeping our attention on the Sahasrara. Just watch the palm of our hand and the void.
ॐ श्री सत्त्वा नमः। ॐ श्री सत्त्वभृताङ्गता नमः। ॐ श्री कमलालया नमः। ॐ श्री हिरण्यगर्भा नमः। ॐ श्री बोधा समाश्रया नमः। ॐ श्री नाभावना नमः। ॐ श्री देहाशून्या नमः। ॐ श्री परमार्थदृशा नमः। ॐ श्री यन्त्रविदा नमः। ॐ श्री धराधार नमः। ॐ श्री सनातन नमः। ॐ श्री चित्कीर्ति भूषणा नमः। ॐ श्री चन्द्र सूर्याग्निलोचना नमः। ॐ श्री अन्तःपूर्णा नमः। ॐ श्री बहिर्पूर्णा नमः। ॐ श्री पूर्णात्मा नमः। ॐ श्री खगर्भा नमः। ॐ श्री अमरार्चिता नमः। ॐ श्री गम्भीरा नमः। ॐ श्री दयावान् नमः। ॐ श्री सत्यविज्ञानभास्कर नमः। ॐ श्री सदाशिव नमः। ॐ श्री श्रेयस्कर नमः। ॐ ज्ञानखण्डक नमः। ॐ श्री धृत नमः। ॐ दम्भदर्पमदापः नमः। ॐ गुणान्तक नमः। ॐ ज्वरनाशक नमः। ॐ भेदवैतन्दखण्डक नमः। ॐ श्री निर्वासना नमः। ॐ श्री निरीह नमः। ॐ श्री निरहंकार नमः। ॐ शोकदुःखहरा नमः। ॐ श्री निराक्षीर निरुपाधिक नमः। ॐ श्री अनन्तविक्रम नमः। ॐ भेदान्तक नमः। ॐ श्री मुनि नमः। ॐ श्री महायोगी नमः। ॐ श्री योगाभ्यास प्रकाशक नमः। ॐ योगदर्पनाशक नमः। ॐ श्रीं नित्यमुक्त नमः। ॐ श्री योगा नमः। ॐ श्री स्थानदा नमः। ॐ श्री महानुभव भावित नमः। ॐ श्री कामजित नमः। ॐ श्री शुचिर्भूत नमः। ॐ श्री त्यागकारण त्यागात्मा नमः। ॐ श्री मनो बुद्धि विहीनात्मा नमः। ॐ श्री मानात्मा नमः। ॐ श्री चेतना विगता नमः। ॐ श्री अक्षर मुक्त नमः। ॐ श्री पराक्रम नमः। ॐ श्री त्यागार्थ संपन्न नमः। ॐ श्री त्याग विग्रह नमः। ॐ श्री त्याग कारण नमः। ॐ श्री प्रत्याहार नियोजक नमः। ॐ श्री प्रत्यक्षावर्त नमः। ॐ श्री देवानां परमागते नमः। ॐ श्री महादेव नमः। ॐ श्री भुवनान्तक नमः। ॐ पापनाशक नमः। ॐ श्री अवधूत नमः। ॐ मदापह नमः। ॐ श्री मायामुक्त नमः। ॐ श्री चिदुत्तम नमः। ॐ श्री क्षेत्रज्ञ नमः। ॐ श्री क्षेत्रग नमः। ॐ श्री क्षेत्र नमः। ॐ संसारतमो नाशक नमः। ॐ श्री शङ्कामुक्त समाधिमान् नमः। ॐ श्री पाल नमः। ॐ श्री नित्यशुद्ध नमः। ॐ श्री बाल नमः। ॐ श्री ब्रह्मचारी नमः। ॐ श्री हृदयस्था नमः। ॐ श्री प्रवर्तना नमः। ॐ संकल्पधोकादलना नमः। ॐ श्री जीव संजीवना नमः। ॐ श्री लयातीत नमः। ॐ श्री लयस्यान्त नमः। ॐ श्री प्रमुख नमः। ॐ श्री नन्द नमः। ॐ श्री निराभास नमः। ॐ श्री निरञ्जन नमः। ॐ श्री श्रद्धार्थी नमः। ॐ श्री गोसाक्षी नमः। ॐ श्री आदिनाथ नमः। ॐ श्री विशुद्धोत्तम गौरवा नमः। ॐ श्रीं निराहारी नमः। ॐ श्रीं नित्याबोधा नमः। ॐ श्री पुराणप्रभो नमः। ॐ श्री सत्त्वभृत नमः। ॐ श्री भूतशङ्कर नमः। ॐ श्री हंस साक्षी नमः। ॐ श्री सत्त्वविद नमः। ॐ श्री विद्यावान् नमः। ॐ श्री आत्मानुभव सम्पन्न नमः। ॐ श्री विशालाक्ष नमः। ॐ श्री धर्मवर्धन नमः। ॐ श्री मुक्ता नमः। ॐ श्री भोग्या नमः। ॐ श्री भुगर्थ सम्पन्ना नमः। ॐ श्री भोग ज्ञान प्रकाशन नमः। ॐ श्री सहज नमः। ॐ श्री दीप्त नमः। ॐ श्री निर्वाण नमः। ॐ श्री तत्त्वात्मा ज्ञान सागर नमः। ॐ श्री परमानंद सागर नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Keeping our attention on the void, let's continue listening to Srimataji's Guru Puja talk from 1986.
Force unless and until you want it to be controlled. Nothing can control it but you and yourself can control it. So as soon as you become in charge of your Kundalini, you have crossed one step forward, that you have overcome the force, that is the gravitational force. Then the cycle of all the five elements is bound together. All the five elements have to go in a cycle in such a way that nothing is wasted, nothing is spoiled, everything is organized. But the cycle is broken only by the awakening of the Kundalini. Because you enter into the highest of highest, which is the cosmic consciousness, which you know how to regulate yourself. That cosmic consciousness is the Param Tattva, is the principle of all the principles, controls all the principles. So it controls also the principles of all these 5 elements. It controls the Manashakti. It controls the evolution and gives you the power to evolve others. So this great Brahma Shakti is at your lotus feet. Perhaps Sahajogis do not realize what they have achieved. The only difference between a Adi Guru and a Guru, Sadguru I would say, is this, that the Adi Guru knows that he is the controlling power. He knows he is with absolute oneness with the Brahma Tattva, with the cosmic. The authority with which he talks, the complete confidence with which he says things. There is no doubt in his mind. In any one of his teachings, he will say, I verily say to you, that confidence that I am with the Brahma Tattva, that I am the Brahma, and that I am controlling all that Tattva. Makes him a prophet. Because whatever he says, prophesizes, is the truth. Whatever he says about the past is the truth. And he knows that. He has no doubts. The authority with which Moses talked, authority with which Socrates talked, authority with which Lao Tse talked, all these great Adi-Gurus, from Adinath to Sainath, they didn't say, if you do this way will be good or that way would be good. No, this is what it is, you better do it. This is what it is. But in modern times, those gurus may not work out. That's why a mother had to come. First to give you realization. Because these gurus did not realize another point, that their disciples not understand them at all. Whatever they are doing out of awe. But awe doesn't have understanding in it. Or even the earlier ones may have had. The generation that came afterwards did not have. So they turned the gurus into a facade, and the whole building they owned as their own, creating all kinds of problems, killing the universality and the collectivity, because Brahma Tattva is the power of the collectivity. Is in everything, in the atom, in the molecule, in the human heart. Everywhere it is reflected, depending on the reflector, and it controls. This understanding they had, but the human understanding perhaps they did not have. That if we today tell them something, they might listen to us, but tomorrow they will forget. So it was necessary that you all should be given realization. Otherwise, also without realization, what's the use? What's the use of talking to people about the colors, those who don't have eyes? So realization has to be given. But it should not be done with diffidence. When a guru does not feel vibrations properly, he becomes diffident about giving realization. But even when he feels it clearly, he will not say things with authority. Authority by any chance does not mean aggressiveness. Authority is because you have it, that's why you express it. Like this light is now shining on my face. It is shining, it's not aggressive. Because that's the quality it has got, that it has to shine, so it is shining. In the same way, a guru shines before the disciples. It's very easy to understand this word shine. When you have something dirty, it doesn't shine. Even the gold, which is always shining, is not tarnishable. If you put it under the mud, it won't shine. So you have to wash it, clean it, and rub it nicely so that it shines. But in Guru Tattva, it is from the basics you have to start. Before the gold came into its own state of gold, it was mixed with so many other things. So it had to be heated up, melted away, sieved out, and so many processes it had to go through to become gold. So when you become Sahajogis, you have become gold. Now the second job is to keep this gold shining. And third would be to get a part in the crown of your mother so that you can never be tarnished. Into these three stages one has to go. First of all, to judge yourself, to be a guru, you have to have a gravity of your own, which is not bound by the gravity of the Mother Earth. That's the minimum of minimum. Which does not mean you wear outside the kashaya, the dress that suggests that you are a sannyasi. But from inside, you should be a sannyasi. Now, a sannyasi who is inside a sannyasi will have a big bank balance maybe, but will know nothing about it. Will be very indifferent and any day willing to part with it. A sannyasi has to be a person above lust. Should not know what is a lust is. What is this attraction of lust is? That through his Kundalini and Muladhara, he can achieve it. Because now you have a capacity to rise above the gravity. You have got that power now to rise above this lust business. Where your attention gets absolutely ruined. But in Sahaja Yoga we have everything. Like on Indian streets you will find the most modern car, a Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, as well as you can find a bullock cart, and also lots of cows and buffaloes, everything there. In the same way, I think in Sahaja Yoga we have all kinds. We have some people who are very great. And try to achieve a state of untarnishability. Put their attention to it, work it out. But we also have people who are absolutely useless things, just hanging on to Sahaja Yoga, to use Sahaja Yoga for their own popularity maybe, for their own gains. I don't know for what. I have seen people who give lectures in the name of Sahaja Yoga and are badly caught up. There is that gravity acting in you, remember that. The gravity of the Mother Earth. Some sort of a gravity which should be located. But some of them are nothing but worms. They cannot go higher. And the outsiders see those worms only and try to say that Sahaja Yoga is no good. Your Kundalini has the power. It has all the powers to make you the highest of highest. An ordinary grass can become a cedar. There's no limits to it. But you must have confidence in yourself and confidence in Sahaja Yoga.
Mother, please grant me the ability and the knowledge to control my Kundalini with humility, to establish the gravity, the complete confidence, and the authority of my Guru Tattva, and enter into the realm of cosmic consciousness, the Brahma Tattva. Aham Brahmasmi. Just say the third Sahasrar mantra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Mahakali Sakshat Shri Sahasrara Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Let's put our hands together and humbly thank Shri Mataji for the opportunity of this morning's collective meditation. Thank you everyone for your vibrational presence. Let's raise our Kundalini and put ourselves in a bandhan. And have a beautiful day everyone. Jai Shri Mataji.